Latest news on Comet 3, Atlas, does it have a tail? A lot has happened since this interstellar object appeared, and it's easy to lose track of events. Has it changed color again? Shifted course? Survived its close pass by the sun? Here is everything we know so far about the mysterious visitor from another star system. November 11th. Did 3I Atlas break apart near the sun? Avi Loeb has again raised the question, did 3I Atlas survive its close approach to the sun, or did it disintegrate under the intense heat? He stated that images from solar observatories showed flares of bright jets near perihelion, which could indicate the loss of a significant portion of the comet's mass. However, Loeb added that if upcoming observations show 3I Atlas remains intact, we may need to reconsider its nature. If it was not destroyed by the sun and still holds together as a single body, he writes, then the possibility that it is not a natural comet will have to be considered. Astronomers will get their next major chance to check on December 19th, 2025, when the comet makes a close approach to Earth. Ground-based observatories, as well as the Hubble and James Webb telescopes, plan to investigate whether our interstellar guest survived the sun's effects or is hiding something unusual. November 11th, cosmic rays may have baked 3I Atlas for millions of years. New observations suggest that 3I Atlas was transformed by galactic cosmic rays during its long journey between stars. Astronomers studying its chemical composition found it has significantly more carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide than typical solar system comets, clear signs that the object's surface was altered by radiation. According to scientists, constant exposure to high-energy cosmic particles could have processed carbon-rich materials on its surface, converting them into new compounds and leaving behind a dense, dark crust, up to 20 meters thick. In other words, what we see now may not be the comet's original surface at all, but rather a kind of baked shell hiding ancient ices and dust from the system where it was born. Further observation is needed to confirm this idea. November 10th, Comet 3I Atlas sent a radio signal. Social media is buzzing with rumors that 3I Atlas began transmitting radio signals, but astronomers assure there is nothing extraterrestrial about it. The Meerkat radio telescope in South Africa detected natural radio continuum from the comet, a steady background radiation typical of gas and dust in space, not a modulated signal carrying information. Similar emissions were first recorded from comets back in the 1,970 seconds. Scientists explained that the detected frequencies around 1,665 and 1,667 megahertzes indicate hydroxyl OH radicals, breakdown products of water molecules under sunlight. Simply put, the comet isn't talking to us. It's just glowing in radio waves as its icy surface boils near the sunday. November 10th, 3I Atlas forms distinct tails. Recent images from Spain, taken by Frank Nibbling and Michael Buchner, clearly show two distinct tails on 3I Atlas. One smoky tail stretches up and to the right, about 30 arc-minutes long, roughly the diameter of a full moon. The other, an anti-tail of dust particles about 10 arc-minutes long, extends down and to the left, towards the sunday. Earlier images from November 8th showed a complex tail structure, 4 or 5 jet-like tails or streamers fanning out in different directions. Commentators noted that 3I Atlas's tails resemble those of Comet C 2016 R2, an unusual long-period comet rich in carbon monoxide and nitrogen, but poor in dust. The composition of 3I Atlas's tails is not yet clear and requires further observation. Based on the images, Earth Sky suggested this interstellar comet was likely altered by its recent close pass to the sun, as often happens with comets. Meanwhile, in his blog, Avi Loeb proposed a more unconventional idea. The jets observed on 3I Atlas could be related to technological thrusters, raising the question of the object's natural versus artificial origin. November 5th. Did 3I Atlas change course? As the interstellar comet 3I Atlas passed close to the sun, astronomers observed a subtle but powerful effect. Its light was bent by the sun's gravity. According to calculations, light passing close to the sun should be deflected by about 1.75 arcseconds. Using solar space observatories, scientists measured an almost identical value for the apparent shift in 3I Atlas's position as it passed the sunday This tiny shift occurs because a massive object like the sun warps the space around it, bending the path of passing light. Scientists also noted a slight deviation in the comet's trajectory as it left perihelion, about 4 arcseconds from predictions. This shift is consistent with a combination of gravitational effects and solar radiation pressure. Not an alien maneuver, but simply physics at work. November 4th, 3I, Atlas's color change puzzles scientists. The interstellar comet 3I, Atlas, appears to be changing color again. New images show the guest has taken on a blue tint. Scientists say this sequence of color changes is highly unusual for a comet and could signal changing chemistry or dust, gas dynamics. It is known that upon first observation, 3I, Atlas, appeared red. As it approached the sun, it turned green, possibly due to new gases. Now, the shift to blue could indicate another transformation, either within the dust, gas mixture, or due to the effect of solar radiation on its surface. November 2nd, 3I, Atlas reappears in view. After swinging around the sun, 3I, Atlas, is moving back into the dark sky and will begin appearing in the morning sky by mid-November. Its brightness is expected to be around magnitude 11 to 12, too dim for the naked eye, and only under ideal conditions might it be spotted with good binoculars. However, small telescopes should show it more reliably. If you want to try and spot it, look low above the eastern horizon just before sunrise. It will rise higher with each passing morning hour as it moves away from the sunday. Astronomers are now awaiting the first post-perihelion measurements to see if this cosmic guest will continue to shine brightly or begin to fade. October 29th, 3I. Atlas survived close solar passage, suddenly increased in brightness. The rare interstellar comet 3I, Atlas, safely completed its closest approach to the sun, coming within 1.36 AU on October 29th, 2025. Observations from the SOHO, Stereo A, and GOES 19 space telescopes showed the comet increase sharply in brightness as it approached the sunday. Its glow reached about magnitude 9, but due to the sun's glare, the object could not be seen from Earth at that time. Images from the spacecraft revealed something unexpected. 3I, Atlas, looked unusually blue. This color could indicate gas activity, particularly from molecules like C2 and NH2 glowing in the comet's atmosphere. These emissions confirm that 3I, Atlas, is behaving like a natural comet, ruling out earlier ideas that it might be an alien probe. News summary: September, late October, 2025. Our interstellar guest has been busy over the past few months. If you've lost track, don't worry. Here's a brief overview of events related to 3I, Atlas. September 20th. Astronomers noticed a mysterious green glow around 3I, Atlas, likely caused by unusual gases. September 23rd. A new theory suggested 3I, Atlas could be a planet formation seed, a remnant capable of participating in world building in young star systems. September 23rd. A solar storm was predicted to hit the comet, the first such event for an interstellar visitor. September 25th. Avi Loeb noted the comet showed no abnormal acceleration and could be anomalously massive or even have thrust. September 28th. Loeb linked 3I, Atlas, to the legendary 1977. Wow. Signal, as the comet passed through the same region of the sky. September 29th. The comet weathered a solar storm without damage, unlike many of its solar system counterparts. September 30th. 3I, Atlas, disappeared behind the sunday. October 1st. The comet made a close approach to Mars, giving NASA orbiters and rovers a chance to observe it up close. October 5th. A new photo from Mars orbit confirmed the comet's faint glow. October 7th. ESA's ExoMars and Mars Express missions obtained new images showing the comet's thin coma. October 7th. The Swift Observatory detected water vapor, the first confirmation of water vapor in an interstellar comet. October 19th. The Keck Observatory spotted a rare anti-tail, pointing towards the sun due to viewing geometry. October 21st. While the comet was hidden behind the sun, Loeb hinted it could be using the Oberth effect to change course undetected. Live tracking 3I, Atlas, where it is now and how to see it. Want to catch a glimpse of a traveler from another star system? Comet 3I, Atlas is passing through our cosmic neighborhood, and with the right timing and equipment, you might be able to observe it yourself. Below are instructions on its brightness, when and where to look, and how to avoid common mistakes like moonlight interference. for the best chances.